Hey everyone, in this quick video, I'll show you how to use our online gang sheet builder. Whether you're printing for a business, team, or just for fun, this tool makes it super simple. Some of you are probably asking, what is a gang sheet? A gang sheet is just a way to compile all your designs into one print-ready file. Instead of printing each design separately, you group them all together on one sheet. That's your gang sheet. Now, there are a couple of things to keep in mind when you're creating one. First, you want to use your space efficiently. The more designs you fit, the more value you get out of each print. Secondly, think about how you'll cut the designs out afterward. If they're too close together, you'll save space, but cutting becomes much harder. Some people prefer to arrange their gang sheets manually, squeezing in every design as tightly as possible. That works, but it can be time-consuming, and if you're not careful, it can lead to cutting mistakes or overlap. That's why we built an automatic gang sheet builder into our website. It does the heavy lifting for you, placing your designs quickly and efficiently, while still giving you the flexibility to make adjustments and customize the layout just the way you want. Let's get started. Firstly, we'll want to go to armorinc.com, and then go up here to Gang Sheets. Then, click on DTF Gang Sheet Online Builder. Once on this page, we'll go down here to Build a Gang Sheet. On the left side, you've got your main navigation. Home is where you upload your designs or add simple text. Names and numbers allow you to create custom team shirts in just a few clicks. This is perfect if you need to make jerseys or team shirts, but don't have photo editing experience. Uploads gives you access to everything that you've already uploaded. This is great if you are a repeat customer and you use the same designs multiple times. Our gallery is packed with ready-to-press designs. Thousands of pre-made options that you can add to your gang sheets. Canva and Dropbox let you connect and pull in your designs from their programs directly. And Settings is where you can customize how everything works. Inside the Settings menu, you can toggle a variety of tools, such as showing resolution lines and overlapping lines, snapping, and a warning if your design has a background or transparent pixels. There's also a visual aid that lets you change the background color. This can help you to catch mistakes in your design, and it can also allow you to see what your design looks like on different colored shirts. Let's start building our gang sheet. Up at the top here, we have the margin settings. The artboard margin is the outside edge of the gang sheet, while the image margin is the distance around each individual transfer. I've already uploaded a few designs, so I'll just click on each one to add it to the sheet. From here, you can change the size of the transfer, choose your quantity, remove the background, or even upscale your image if you would like. The duplicate function is also very useful if you want to print the same design at multiple sizes. You simply duplicate your design, and then you can change the size of one while leaving the others unchanged. Let's try the Add Text function. Here, we can change what our text says, the font, color, and the size of the text. The text tool works great as a visual reminder to keep your transfers organized. It is very common for people to use different size transfers on different sizes of shirts. Using the text function, we can label which transfers are which size. You won't need this on small orders as much, but if you are ordering hundreds of transfers at different sizes, this can be a very helpful tool. Next, let's try the Names and Numbers tool. This tool is great for making custom team t-shirts or jerseys. We can customize the size, font, color, and quantity of each name or number. The Names and Numbers tab keeps everything organized in one group, unlike the text tool. I'll speed this up so you don't have to sit through all of it. Now that we have everything that we want on our gang sheet, let's adjust a couple of things. The Auto Builder arranges everything efficiently, maximizing your space. Up at the top here, we have some rotation and alignment tools, as well as the Auto Nest button in the top right corner. Let's say you get carried away adjusting the placement of your transfers, and you want to go back to how things were from the start. The Auto Nest button will realign everything, even if you have added designs or resized things. At any time, you can click the Auto Build button to edit things from the Gang Sheet Builder screen. Now that we are done editing our gang sheet, we can either save it to come back to it later, or go ahead and add to cart. You can name your gang sheet to reuse it later. Once you click Add to Cart, you can either continue shopping or click on Checkout. Once on the checkout screen, you can fill out your shipping and payment information. Once you click Pay Now, your transaction will be complete. We print and ship all orders within 24 hours. Hopefully this makes your next order quicker and easier. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment or contact us at support@armorank.com. Thanks for watching.